Right, so onto the top field hay turning. Dad's heading up there now in the Ford 7600 with the PZ hay bob on the back end. I am currently walking, I've got my drone on me. I'm going to jump in the Renault 651. I'll make my way up there. We'll get some nice footage today, guys. Hope we'll have the drone up as well. Lovely day here. This is the hottest day we've had so far. So in a lot of the videos I've said it's been hot. It hasn't looked it on camera, but trust me, today it is. We're pushing 20. It's nice. Right, on to the video, guys. Enjoy. I weren't joking when I said it's hot. I know it's windy up here on this mountain, but whew, the heat is good. Shirt, weather, shorts. Here's how the field's looking so far. So this is only the bottom half of our top field, our third field. We haven't cut the top half. I think we're leaving that for about 3 or 4 days. Let it grow a bit more. Gives us time to bale the bottom field and then have that one cut and then be baling this, and then eventually we'll be baling the top part. Sounds like I'm waffling, doesn't it, guys? So let's see how much footage we can get today. Some GoPro, some drone. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Just going to give you an example of how much we haven't done. I'll try and raise this as high as I can. There's a fair amount there that we haven't done compared to a fair amount that we have. Right guys, let's get the drone up in the sky. Let's have a look, see how he's doing. Looks really nice out here today. Hope you enjoy this part of the video. Just waiting for the drone to update quickly. So a couple more clips and then we'll get onto that. the drone footage. Now we're going to go back onto a bit of GoPro before we end here. It's a lovely day, lovely day, and that Ford is really doing some good work out here. So it's that time again to drop me a comment in the box. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. So how do you think we're getting on with the Ford 7.6 with the PZ hay bob on the back end? Let me know down below. I think he sped up his revs a little bit, especially going up a gradient of the hill. It is slightly sloping. It's not a massive hill, or maybe a little bit over by the gate's a bit more steeper, but yeah, so let me know what you think down below, guys. New to the channel as well, please remember to hit the subscribe button for us, join our journey, see how we're getting on. Okay, so actually, before we even started this video, guys, we had a water leak. Took the hose off, changed one of the clamps on it, and sorted that out, topped it all up, bled the system, and then we come up here and recorded this. And I was about to head back down and end the video, and Dad has stopped me because I've got the adjustables in the tractor. He's got a diesel leak now, he reckons. So
looks like it.
Here's the adjustables. Oh yeah, I can see it on the bottom of the engine there. I can see it.
Nana gone then?
Yeah, no, she's there. She's still there. Yeah. Just Grandad's at the allotment, so Nana's on the phone to Carly.
Is he? I don't know, I can't see if that's turning or not.
That turned.
That one's tightened a bit.
Right, so he thinks he's sorted that out, so I'm just going to leave him to it, and now we will actually end the video. Right guys, so that's going to be it for me now. So we've got plenty of shots of the hay turning going on with the Ford 7.6. So what we're going to do now is we'll be waiting for about another 4 or 5 days, and then I'll get you guys the baling video out. Hopefully by this point all the videos of the bottom field will be done and uploaded. This one is going to be a couple of weeks delayed. That is on purpose, by the way. So yeah, right, so as I said earlier on, guys, if you are new to our journey here, please hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell, get them notifications in when our videos are coming up. Hope you're enjoying the channel, and I hope to see you guys on our next video. Thanks for watching, and take care.